Hey fiends, in this video, I am going to tell you how to become rich in 7 steps. 1. Be a pawn to become a king. The speaker stresses the value of adhering to the social hierarchy and putting in the necessary work before expecting success. Instead than attempting to rise to the top right away, concentrate on developing yourself and gathering experience. Success takes time and work, and if you are patient and considerate of the process, you will eventually achieve your objectives. 2. Dress to elevate your appearance counts, especially in the professional world. Even if you're young, the speaker suggests dressed in a traditional, respectable, and timeless style. Avoid overtly branded or casual clothing. In professional settings, how you present yourself can have a beneficial effect on how people view and treat you. 3. Have something external that humbles you. According to the speaker, you should take part in activities that help you stay grounded and humble. Engaging in combat sports, establishing difficult goals, or running a business all require you to face challenges and fail, which will keep you humble and help you develop. 4. Prevent informal relationships. The speaker discourages flings and informal relationships, particularly when young. Instead, put your energy into finding a committed partner who shares your goals and morals. Casual dating may not be in line with your long-term objectives and can be a distraction. 5. Keep your circles small but your influence big. Surround yourself with a small group of genuine friends that encourage and support you. While having many of acquaintances is okay, having a close-knit group of devoted friends is more valuable. Build strong and meaningful ties before expanding your network. 6. The speaker emphasizes that success at a young age will bring problems and tests to see if you can handle it responsibly. This is known as God will test you. Keep your head down, stick to your morals, and be ready to manage success with maturity and responsibility. 7. Invest early and wisely. When you begin to make money, concentrate on investing it sensibly. Put your money into assets that are less likely to be lost or squandered, such as real estate and gold. To ensure a safe financial future, avoid spending extravagantly and instead let your money work for you.